So I'm standing outside a 2-bedroom villa here at Marriott's Royal Palms in Orlando, Florida. Are you considering to stay here and you want to see what the 2-bedroom looks like? Well, stick around. I'm going to take you on a tour, coming right up. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Before I take you on a tour here of our 2-bedroom villa, number 4270 here at Marriott's Royal Palms in Orlando, Florida, I want to let you know on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And even if you don't own timeshare, I also do villa tours, resort tours, and resort reviews as well. So be sure to stick around. You don't want to miss out on any videos. Click that subscribe button down below, and also click that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's get going here. We're going to head inside and take a look at our villa at Marriott's Royal Palms in Orlando. Heading inside the villa here, the first thing that we're going to take a look at is the in-room laundry. You actually have a full-size washer and dryer here. This is actually something that is pretty rare in the Marriott timeshare system. Most of them have just stacked washer and dryer. You also do have in here your iron and ironing board, and there's even a vacuum cleaner there as well. The next thing we're going to come in here and take a look at is the guest bedroom. Kind of a weird chair slash love seat. It's not really a love seat, it's bigger than a chair, but it does pull out into what would probably be just a twin bed, maybe even just a single. But it does pull out so you can sleep somebody there. And there is also a queen size bed in here with a couple of nightstands, some exposed electrical outlets. And in here, of course, is also a pretty good size, but not too big, flat screen television. There is also a built-in chest of drawers here and closet. I actually had a lot of room in here, a lot of storage in this built-in chest of drawers. Lots of room, lots of shelves, lots of drawers. Definitely a great thing to have when you want to unpack all your clothes. And right beside that is actually more storage. A closet here does have a set of bedding for that chair, that pull-out chair kind of thing, and some hangers in here to hang some additional clothes. Keep in mind here though, this room also does look out. The window looks out into the main hallway, so keep those shades drawn if you want to have some privacy. Now we're going to go in and take a look at the guest bathroom. Not connected directly to the guest bedroom. There is kind of like a little vestibule area that you can close off to the main area and have a little bit of privacy, and then go directly between the guest room and the guest bath with that door closed. But you do just have a single vanity in here, toilet, plenty of towels, and a bathtub with a shower. Now it's time to head out and take a look at the kitchen. This is actually a really good sized kitchen here. A ton of counter space. You have that huge counter, kind of a triangle shaped counter there that actually has 3 stools at it that kind of pulls up to the countertop there. But beautiful countertops, all your appliances. You have an oven, dishwasher, full size refrigerator with an ice maker, range, and microwave oven as well. And those are also complemented by a number of small appliances here as well. You do have a coffee maker and toaster here on the countertop. Looking inside these cabinets here, this is where you're going to find a full set of glassware and dinnerware for 8 people. Definitely a lot of dishes here to get you through your stay. You're not having to wash every day unless, of course, you have a lot of people in the villa. And the drawers have silverware and additional cooking utensils as well. In the cabinets down below, in ours at least, there was this kind of lone cutting board down there. But you do also have a blender, some additional cookware, and a full set of stainless steel pots and pans. Now moving on, it's the dining room. Just 6 chairs and a glass dining room table here. Not a whole lot of room at this dining room table, but still pretty good. And we were actually in an end unit, so it actually had a really nice view kind of out off to these trees. I guess the view isn't as important, but it did let in a lot of light. And right beside the dining room is where you'll find the living room. You do have a nice large sofa here. It does pull out into a queen size bed, as well as a few chairs in here, a couple of bright blue ones there, and another one over on the other side. Coffee table. You do have a large flat screen television atop a chest of drawers, and it also has some additional exposed HDMI ports there as well. So if you brought a Fire Stick, if you brought a Chromecast, kind of handy to have that to plug in. There is unfortunately no ceiling fan in the living room. Next up, we're going to go in and take a look at the master bedroom. Pretty nice master bedroom here. You do have a king size bed, couple of nightstands, and best of all, there is a desk over there on the side that kind of looks out the windows. It was actually kind of great to have this. You could sit at the desk, you could open up the curtains there, and you could look outside. This actually had kind of an L-shaped window here, had a patio door that went out to the patio, and a window that overlooked the golf course. And you do also have in here a dresser with a large flat screen television. Connected to the master bedroom here at Marriott Royal Palms is the master bath. You do have a really nice vanity here, granite countertops, double vanity, double sink, large mirror, makeup mirror. It is a really nice bathroom here. The only kind of drawback is that it's essentially connected directly up to the bedroom. So if somebody gets up in the middle of the night, they turn on those faucets, they turn on the light, wash their hands. If somebody else is still trying to sleep in bed, it is a little bit annoying, and you might just wake them up. Across from that vanity is a pretty good size jetted tub, along with some interesting art pieces on the wall here. In the bathroom here, you're also going to find a pretty large closet, which is home to the in-room safe and some additional bedding. Now in a water closet here, you're going to find a really small shower. This was actually kind of a bit of a drawback of this villa, is this shower was actually pretty small. And even worse yet, around the corner from the shower is where you'll find the toilet kind of crammed in this little hole back here. Wasn't really all that ideal. Now we're going to head back out and we're going to make our way out onto the patio. So I'm now out here on our patio, the screened in patio here at Marriott Royal Palms. Pretty nice little patio, not too big, no ceiling fan either, just 4 chairs and a table, but not too bad. It is nice that it's screened in. Those bugs here in Central Florida can be pretty nasty, and it does get pretty hot here as well, so the lack of a ceiling fan isn't that great. There's also no plug-in out here, so for you remote workers, for anybody that wants to use a laptop or plug something in out here, nothing to plug it into. But otherwise, not too bad. Not too bad of a 2-bedroom villa here either. What did you think? Let me know all about it down in the comments below. Do you have any questions about Marriott's Royal Palms? Let me know those also in the comments below. And to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos. And to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. For another video about Marriott's Royal Palms, check out this one right up here. And YouTube, they know you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.